today I share with you another Nigerian Semo recipe, and in this recipe I share with you details on how to make Nigerian Semo the easy way. I also have a cooking hack for you, but make sure you watch this video to the end. I just poured some water into my pot. By the way, my cooker is set to medium heat. Next, I'll be adding a little bit of semo flour. Now, at this point, you're wondering, what is she doing? Don't worry, make sure you watch this video to the end. After adding my semo flour, and mix it up very well. Then I will add a little bit of salt. Now you're like, okay, what is going on? Don't worry, once again, make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll cook it for about 3 minutes, and this is what the paste looks like after cooking for 3 minutes. Now I'll mix this up very well before I add more semo flour. So the thing with this recipe is, number one, it helps you reduce the quantity of semovita you would use to achieve the great texture you want. Yes, I know I shared with you in my previous video, I shared with you the first method on how to make semo. When you use that first method and you use this second method, you would use a considerably lower amount or lower quantity of semovita to achieve the same texture. So ensure you try this recipe as well, okay? And if you've watched this video to this point, come on, like this video, please. Leave your comments, share this video. And as I would always say, I would love it if you subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Now I have achieved the consistency or the texture for the semo that I like. So the next thing I will do is to cook my semo again by adding some water. I'd also be scraping off the semo attached to my omorogun and also the ones attached to the side of my pot because I don't like wasting food. If you don't like wasting food, make sure you like this video, leave your comment and share. I will cook this semo for about 3 minutes on medium heat. So after 3 minutes, this is what it looks like. Now it's time to mix it up again very well to get that fluffy semovita that you would love. Also, the beauty of this recipe is if you like your semo to have taste, you don't want it to just have that, the normal semovita taste like the first method I shared with you would have, then add a little bit of salt like I did in the beginning and you will love it. Also in this video, pardon my voice. Also in this video, I'll be sharing with you a cooking hack on how to keep your food warm traditionally without using a cooler. But first, let's package the semo. If you're familiar with this channel, you know the use of this nylon. It is to package your food and it is a cost-effective, a cheap way of making sure that your food is well presented. The next thing I would do is to scoop the semovita into the nylon. The water you are seeing by the side already has a little bit of vegetable oil in it, and that vegetable oil helps my semovita slide off the spoon easily. I'll be soaking this pot for about 1 to 2 hours in order to soften that burnt part and so that I can easily wash my pot. Now it's time to wrap my semo up properly. So which soup are you thinking of enjoying semovita with? Me, I have a wide selection of soups that I can enjoy semovita with. Now let me show you how to keep your semovita warm. In a pot, put thick cloths. Make sure that the thick cloths are properly arranged and they are actually clean clothes. Remember, hygiene is very important. Okay, so after putting my thick cloth into this pot, I'll put my semovita into it. When I put my semovita, I'll wrap the clothes cleanly and neatly around my semo. After wrapping it, I would also be covering it again with another thick cloth. What this does is it keeps your food, especially your swallow, warm for at least 2 to 3 hours. Like I would always say in all my videos, remember, good food should be enjoyed always. Yes? Thank you so much for spending your time, taking your time to watch my videos. Till I post another video, have a lovely time.